about a little face and neck massage as a little break for during your day, maybe allowing you to get away from your computer screen for a few moments, or maybe it's something to do before you go to sleep at night. All you need are your two hands. So you can do this lying down. I think you have a little more access to your neck if you do it sitting up. What we'll start is take our peace sign fingers and place them just at the very tops of our eyebrows. And so those two fingers will meet, and we'll just gently start to draw our fingers along the eyebrows until you get to the temple area. Gentle pressure, not too much. You decide what's best for you. You can do that as many times as you'd like. And then we'll pause at our temples. And again, maybe you're using two fingers, maybe three. You decide what's best. And take some gentle circles. Maybe some figure eights. Pause. Then bring your fingers right by your ears here, where your upper jaw and lower jaw meet. Lots of folks hold tension there. So perhaps you take some circles right where your upper and lower jaw meet. Just back and forth. Again, deciding what amount of pressure feels good for you. Come to stillness. And now we're going to draw our fingers down along the lower jaw until they meet at the tip of your chin. I spend a lot of time reminding my students to add some softness to their jaws, and this can be a really good way to do that. Also, separating your teeth. Sometimes we just need that awareness that we're clenching our teeth. You can do that any number of times you'd like. Pausing, one more thing to try, and that is take your fingers along the side of your neck, this big muscle here that we often gets really tight, just kind of massaging up and down there. You can focus just on the neck, or maybe you take that movement up behind the ears, or maybe down onto your shoulders a little bit. And then side two. Notice if you're pressing too hard, please don't press too hard. Okay, maybe going up into the back behind the ears, maybe coming down towards the shoulders. And that's it. You've been able to give yourself a little mini facial and neck massage. See how that feels. I encourage you to try that once or twice during your day, or certainly maybe before you go to sleep at night. It feels really good.